So yeah, Homeway, two big things we stand by is quality and customization. You get to pick whatever you want, whatever you've been dreaming of. We all have a vision in our head of, I want that exact tile, I want that vanity, I want these type of cabinets. And sometimes that stuff is really hard to put together. But again, fortunately, we have a really large team. We have very knowledgeable people that are able to kind of help you find that tile, let you know that, hey, I know this tile looks great, but here's some issues you might have 5 years down the road with this certain tile, with this type of wood. They're experts at what they do. So they're gonna make sure that not only are you getting your dream kitchen, bathroom, dining room, whatever it may be, they're also gonna guide you in the right direction to make sure that not only are you happy when it's done, but you're happy 10 years from now with it. So yeah, you're gonna see a few different crews in your home doing different things. But isn't that truly what you want? The experts coming in and doing what they need to do, not the guy that's just, hey, I can do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We all know that guy, and we don't want that guy. We want the experts in our home, and that's what these guys are. They're experts, and they have the best quality out there.